Good evening, everyone. Today we will be starting with the 51 scenario of our Apex trigger. If I talk about this scenario, we will have a brief talk about the discount. You must have seen the Black Friday sales, or here, if I talk in India, we have an Independence Day sale right now in which we are getting 50% discount or 78-79% discount on the products. So there are two type of products that are available in the market. One is flat discount, where the price is at the flat price, and another is the discount percentage, where we get the percentage discount. For example, 50%, 40%, 70%, 80%. If I talk about today's scenario is similar to this scenario. So first, we will be understanding the data model, and then we will be understanding the requirement for the same scenario. A data model, we will be creating one custom object order, because we have an order object already in the standard table. So I don't want to play around with that object. So I will be creating a custom object in which we will be keeping these fields. One is flat discount, that will be a currency field. Another is a percentage discount, that is a percentage field. Further, we will be keeping a offer available. It will be a checkbox. So if the person is not selecting this checkbox, then the offer she should not be able to save the record. Further, we have an original price on which we will be giving a discount, and further there is the offer price, that is after the discount of the above after we have done the calculation, since we also need to do the calculation. And finally, the offer type, it may be a flat discount type or it may be a percentage discount. So as we have already discussed the scenario while talking about data model, let's see the documentation as well. If I go on the documentation, we need to add a three validation here. First validation is if the offer available is not checked, we don't want don't want the user to save the record. If I talk about second, if the person is selecting the flat discount and if the flat discount field is empty, then he she will not be able to save the record. And similarly for the discount percentage, if the person is selecting the discount percentage field in the pick list, if he is selecting, then she should not be able to save the record without adding the discount percentage number. Similarly, if I talk about that, we further need to auto calculate the discount based upon the amount that has been provided. If we talk about flat discount, then we need to provide original price minus flat discount. But if I talk about percentage, then we need to calculate the percentage that we are giving. So we need to ensure that it should be accurate, valid, and consistent. So this is done. So let's start with the Apex trigger. I've created all the object and the fields in the Salesforce. So let's start with this trigger. So first of all, let's create a trigger with the new, that is trigger on offer. So I will be keeping trigger on offer, and further I will be selecting the object as offer, that with under custom, it is a custom offer. The object name that I have kept is custom offer, and with underscore c. So let's search for custom. Yes, we got it here, and this is the trigger name. So the trigger will happen on the before insert and before update operation, because we don't need a record ID, and also we need to validate the record. So in the validation, we always go for the before. So we will be adding the trigger on before insert and before update operation. And further, what I will be doing, if trigger dot is insert or trigger dot is update, then what we need to do, we need to add a class offer handler dot handle discount. Let's keep the method name as discount, and further what I will be sending trigger dot new variable. So once we are done with this will not get saved because my record my class has not been created. So let's first create a Apex class as well and keep the class name as offer handler. Oh, I think I have added the wrong name, offer handler, and by doing it I will be clicking OK. So once we are done with the offer handler, what I will be doing, I will be adding public static void, and what is the method name? That is handle discount. So what I will be doing, handle discount, and here what I will be doing, I will be taking a list that will have my custom offer, custom underscore offer underscore underscore c, this list of new records. Okay, so the trigger is simple, but starting the approach and doing everything is very much important. How you consider the trigger. Okay, once we are done with this first operation, what we will be doing, I will be validating if this list is not coming blank. This will never happen, but it is the best practice in order to add the as much as text you can add. If new record is not empty, then only proceed with this trigger. So we have put the first check. Okay, second check is I will be iterating my new record. What I will be doing, custom underscore offer underscore underscore c, that is co. Let's keep the name as co, and I will be iterating new records here. Once we have iterated it, first condition is we need to validate if my offer available is equal to true or not. If it is not equal to true, then we don't want to proceed with further operation. We do want the user to check this field if he want to save the record. So what I will be doing, if cu dot offer available, if is equal to true, then only proceed with this. Then we will be doing the full operation in this. Else what we will be doing, co dot add error, you cannot save the offer if you can't save the offer if you you can't save the product. So I think I have taken the wrong object name. It should be product. You can't save the product if you haven't not selected offer available. Okay, so once we are done with this, I will be saving this out, and after saving this I will be checking if we are good. Yes, we are good. So we have added the first validation, that is you can't save the record. So this first point has been considered. When it is active, then only proceed. Further I need to check if it is if the offer type equal to flat offer, then I need to proceed with flat offer, else we will be going with the percentage offer. So what I will be doing, if I will be adding the nested if co dot this is my pick list, that is offer type if is equal to flat discount. Then what you need to do, then further you need to check out if the discount percentage is not equal to null. So if I will be adding one more if inside if co dot percentage discount percentage if is equal to null, then what you need to do, then you need to proceed with error, that is co dot add error, you cannot consider this operation, you can't save this record. I can make it simple, you cannot save this record without giving discount percentage. So I hope everyone is clear till this point. So if the person is not adding the discount percentage, then he will be getting the error. What we need to do, else if is not equal to null, then we need to calculate the discount percentage. CO dot offer discount dot offer price is equal to CO dot original price minus my flat discount. So what I will be doing, CO dot flat discount. So this complete our first part, where if the person is selecting flat discount, then he will be getting the flat discount um, calculated, and if he is not selecting, then he will be facing the issue. So once we are done with this, further after completing this, what I will be doing, if I will be adding another F, or we can do one thing, we can add the else if. Else if CO dot offer available is equal to percentage discount, percentage discount. Then we need to do the same steps we have done. uh, First is we will be copying this. I think we done this wrong, so we will be copying this out similarly here, and we will be changing this instead of discount percentage, but I will be adding dot flat discount. Flat discount. Now it is right. If we are checking for flat discount, then we need to check for flat discount, and if we are checking for discount percentage, then we need to give the discount percentage. You cannot without giving the flat discount amount. Flat. Oh my bad, I had removed everything without giving flat discount. Flat discount. So I hope everyone is clear till this point, but we need to change the else part here. What I need to do, CO minus original price is equal to, I will be adding the CO dot, what I need to do here, I need to subtract the percentage of the original price, that is percentage. So first I will be picking percentage, CO dot percentage discount percentage divided by 100. So this will be done first. Once this is done, then what I need to do, into CO dot original price. Okay, so this will give me the original price, and what I will be doing, I will be adding the braces here, because BODMAS is being considered in the programming language as well as in the Apex as well. So that's why we will be adding a bracket, so that we get the original amount. I think we are getting some issue here. So what is the issue? Let's check what are all the problems. So illegal assignment from decimal to string at line number 14. So what I need to do, okay, so illegal, this is not offer type, we need to update the offer. This field need not to shift, so that is offer price. So it is not offer type, it should be offer price. So now this is good, so let's copy this as well, and let's paste it here as well, so that we don't face any issue. Okay, we are done with, only we are left with the line number 17. If offer available equal to discount percentage, comparison must be compatible with the boolean. Okay, if CO dot offer available is equal to, what is the issue here? Okay, oh, the not offer available, it should be, I think, yes, we have done one more mistake, it should be offer type. So not offer available is a checkbox, I got confused in some fields. Okay, let's save this out. Once we are done with the saving, our trigger is done. Now it's the time for testing. So let's go on this object. Since I have just created this object, so I don't think there should be any object here. So let's click here. No, it is not this one. So let's search for custom offer. Custom offer. So we got the object here. And okay, now we got it. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a record first. So let's name it, that is, since I'm planning to buy a shotgun mic, so shotgun mic, please suggest me the shotgun mic, because my wife has also channel and I also have channel, and our time clashes when we have one mic as DJI mic 2 that I'm currently using. So I'm planning to buy a shotgun mic because many time our time get clash and we are not able to work together. So that's why, because we have two kids, so I was planning to buy a shotgun. So this is brief about me, so we can ignore this. So let's first test for the first validation. Let's save this out. You can't save because you haven't selected the offer available checkbox. So let's check the first validation got passed, and second, if the offer type equal to flat discount, so then I save it. So it should also give me error. You can't without giving the flat discount. So let's get the flat discount as 500 rupees. Also, I also need to add the validation. I should keep this field required, that is original price, so that the person will not forget to update that. So let's keep it 1500. So let's save it out and check for this, for this record, that is the original price. Since I have selected flat discount, so my record should get updated with the offer price of 1000, that is coming right. So let's change it from this price to this percent, that is percentage discount. Let's try to save it out. So this should not get saved because I haven't given the discount percentage. So let's give the discount percentage as 10%. So as soon as I give the 10%, 150 amount should get deducted and 350 is coming. So this complete our Apex Trigger 51. So I hope you are loving my content. If you are loving my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more such notifications. Thank you. Thanks everyone.